So here I am with Trevor and Finn, and we've got a new project to show you. This is a bit special, and I think you built this, didn't you, Trev?
Yeah, Finn gave us a hand to build it as well. It's quite a fiddly kit to build, but there's certainly some bits kids can help with as well. But yeah, it's very quick and easy to build kit.
Now, what is it?
So it's, go, you'd say what it's from.
Microaces Dr.1 Triplane.
Do you remember what version the livery's in?
No, I wouldn't have a clue.
No, so it's a copy of a famous pilot, but we can't remember the name.
Okay.
Something really cool about it, if you hold it up, when the propeller turns, you can see the engine spins as well. So
wow.
There's lots of little details like that, which I really like about it. Only took a couple of evenings to build, so it's really that simple.
And when you say build,
yeah,
I have prior knowledge of building a Microaces kit myself.
yeah.
So the concept, for folks who don't know, it arrives as a flat pack. Amazing but you have to believe this. It's a flat pack. The very thin foam is pre-printed with the scheme on it, and basically to achieve the curves you have to score.
Yeah, you score.
It's scoring and folding, isn't it, basically?
That's it. It's almost a bit like making a paper aeroplane or origami a little bit to get like the covering to go to shape. But they give you all the instructions, and there's also like some build videos to help as well. But to be honest with you, it was the instructions and the kit's so good. I think even someone with very little experience could probably put it together. Yeah, it might take a bit longer, but I think if they do their research and look into it, they should be fine.
So Microaces also sell the electronics,
yeah,
as well as the kit itself.
Yeah, we went for the whole package, so which I'd probably recommend because it's all set up for the right plane.
Yep.
So we went for I think it's a DSM-X.
Yes. Protocol,
which we could pair up with our Radio Master transmitter.
Yes.
And literally the electronic side was so easy. It bound and just everything worked. Yeah,
brilliant.
It was really good fun to build actually. Definitely recommend it for the winter months really if someone wants something fun
a rainy
to do.
day project.
Yeah, doesn't take up too much space either like with the big planes.
All right, let's get it in the air, Finn. Maiden flight, right? All right, come on then.
You want me to launch it? Okay, I'm suspecting it may want to climb because in the instructions they showed it quite a bit down trim, but you just have to figure it out, Finn.
Don't try, you don't know.
Yeah.
So excited about this one.
Yeah.
Nothing so excited about sensors.
You right if we go 2 minutes?
Yeah. Okay. So just let it go, say okay ready, and then I'll do it. Once in a while ready to film.
Okay, ready?
Being down trim. Okay. Left and right okay? You have to be quite gentle with the run. Considering it's so light.
And this is 15-mile-an-hour wind.
Yeah, it looks stable. Would you say it's stable, Finn? You're in charge with the sticks.
Until you turn.
Well, this is the first 60 seconds of flight, so he's trimming it out.
Yeah, try and keep it a little bit closer. Yeah. Right.
It looks good though.
Yeah, I like the flying speed. It's quite a scale speed, I think.
Yeah.
What do you reckon, Dom?
Well, it's a triplane, it looks fantastic.
Yeah.
And we've got this lovely blue sky day. The wind, unfortunately. No?
The wind.
Yeah, it's because of the wind, totally.
If you try, you can almost. It's just as the wind gets behind it, it's so light it kind of wants to pull it down.
Bit closer, Finn.
think you would normally fly something like this in maybe a little bit more of a shielded area where maybe there's...
Or even indoors.
Yeah, well, it's an indoor plane ideally, but you can fly them outside as we're showing now.
Right, 2 more circuits and then we better land as a queue.
It's a bit funny downwind, but I love this thing.
That looks like nice, doesn't it?
It feels nice. I've got used to it now.
Yeah. I think with the turns, you might have to do the turn a little bit slower downwind to stop it dropping.
Yeah. But I've definitely got used to it.
Yeah?
Oh, I say that. Oh, I say that. There you go.
Alright, you're going to land next time round.
I love this thing.
3-point landing, Finn. Bring it in, closer, closer.
I'm struggling just to keep it going in a straight line.
Power. Oh, he's down.
Oh, it's down.
Yeah. That was slow speed and
Yeah,
a
then.
lot of control there.
So it's windy, Finn. Bear that in mind, and triplanes do have a particular way of flying. There are 3 wings there, so it's not going to behave like a monoplane that you're used to flying. So I think that's an achievement, flying it in this relatively strong wind. How do you feel about it?
Oh, it looked great, it felt great, it was just such a nice model. I think it'd be better in less wind, but you know,
It will be really good in less wind, and also when we fly indoors during the winter season.
Yeah, gonna have to do that.
Okay, good. Where's Trevor gone? He's behind me
I'm
now.
hiding.
He takes credit for a lot of the building, but he built this over 2 days.
Yeah. Lots of sleepless nights, that's why I look so knackered. But, yeah, it's good, really good fun. Definitely recommend it.
So right, so these are on. I mean, this is just one of several schemes in the triplane.
Yeah.
But then John also at Microaces also has a full range of other aircrafts, and some of the releases recently are quite modern aircraft, which we might be trying out in the not too distant future.
Yeah,
Hush, hush,
look,
wink, wink.
They look fun actually. Looking forward to those ones. So.
Yeah. All right. So the link you want to go to is Microaces.com to look up the full range, and you know, all the electronics you can buy for these. But that's it. Thanks, guys. Thanks for the demo.
Yeah, thank you, Dom.
We'll be back soon on Essential RC. Bye.
Cheers. Bye.
Adios.
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 That is my catchphrase.
I'm going to steal it.
It is now, mate.
Yeah.
You're not stealing it. Come on. Wait.
A little bit closer if you can. Right, keep it out there.
Looks good, though.
Yeah, I like the flying speed. It's quite a scale speed, I think. What do you reckon, Dom?
Well, it's a triplane. It looks fantastic.
Yeah.
And we've got this lovely blue sky day. The wind, unfortunately.
That's
No,
because of the wind.
Yeah, it's because of the wind. Totally.
Yeah.